Hello everybody, for today's video I've chosen from section 6.1 question 7. So they're asking us to find the area of when the equation y equals the square root of 25 minus x squared. It's rotating on the x axis, so it's going this way. So I do like to kind of picture what I'm working with, and so I did my little circle, and then what we need to find based on the formula that we've been finding is we need to find the area of the disk that's over here. This is our disk, and then plug it in our formula. So for that disk, I know that r is going to equal y, that's going to equal the square root of 25 minus x squared. So that's why I wrote it over here. And then I also know that for the area of my disk, it's going to be the base, that's pr squared. And we know then that the height is going to be the dx. And that's what I wrote over here. So based on the information that they're giving us, what I did is I took this over here and equal it to 0 to check what are our limits, and then I found out that the circle was going from -5 to 5. So I started writing my equation over here, and I did the -5 to 5. Then I just plug the area, and that's pi times r squared. It's going to be the same as this, so I just put it in here as r, and then dx. So after grabbing all this information, I took the next step, and here it is again. So what I just did is the square root, and that was let's go back just one more step here. So what I did is I did square and square root. They're gone. So that's why this is why I started on the second step. So knowing that pi is going to be the constant, I actually took it out, as you can see here. And from here on, another thing that I remember is just looking at this. Since I have the same numbers, then there was an equation that's telling you that you can just multiply it by 2, like I did here, and then the limit will change from -5 to 0 to 5. And then I was left with the polynomial 25 minus x squared. So after this, what I did is I took the antiderivative of this, as you can see here, and times 2 pi. So for this, having that information, then I just plugged it on the functions of the limits. So I took f of 0, and that was 0. And then for f of 5, I resolved. So I just did the 2 pi, and instead of x, I put the 5s, and resolve all this. From here, I got 250. So 250 times 2 was 500, and that was 500 p divided by 3, and that is going to be the area of the circle. Hope it was understandable. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.